today I'm going to show you how I curl my hair. So I started by putting some dry shampoo in, and I'm going to section everything off. So I pull up the sides, and I'm going to clip that on the top of my head. Put on my heat glove, and I'm using this 1-inch tapered curling barrel from Bedhead to do this. And I just go around and I curl away from my face in about 1-inch sections. And between each section I do spray with some hairspray. Today I'm using Pantene Airspray. This is alcohol-free hairspray. Then I just move on to the next section and I keep going. So I guess I'll mention too that I wash my hair probably every 2 to 3 days depending on how oily it gets. And I try to use the least amount of heat as possible. So like yesterday was the day after Christmas, so I was just hanging around. I didn't do anything. I didn't put makeup or anything on, so I just let my hair air dry after my shower. And I have naturally wavy curly hair, so it's nice because then today I just have to throw in some dry shampoo and make the curls look more polished. But generally, if I'm going to do my hair, I will wash it, blow dry it completely, like a blowout, then I will curl it. And when I do it that way, the second day I won't have to re-curl my hair, and maybe the second and third days I'll just do a little touch-up curling here and there after I use some dry shampoo. But yeah, I just again try to use the least amount of heat. Oh my god. Try to use the least amount of heat as possible. And my apologies for the lighting and the noises. I am at my parents' house. Came home for the holidays and figured, oh, getting ready, might as well share it with you. Okay, so after I've sprayed everything with hairspray, I just let that cool for a minute, and then I will brush out with my wet brush. Then one last little spray. And that's it for curling my hair. It's a little poofy now. It definitely goes down throughout the day. But yeah, that's how I curl my hair. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, please like and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!